Hello and welcome to the White Tiger Qigong YouTube channel. My name is Pascal and today we are going to do the Crane Qigong. The Crane Qigong is with the heart and the fire element. And the fire element is with the emotion of desire. And when we have too much desire, we tend to be disconnected from our environment and feel agitated, not peaceful at all. And this practice is really bringing us back to a state of peacefulness and contentment. And from there, we can express our desires naturally without getting caught up in it. The Crane Qigong is very good for the spine and very good for the posture because we have a deep twist in the spine, wringing out tension, and we open the chest and the whole front line. It's great for people who have a hunched posture, who work all day at a desk. So this really aligns your whole posture. Okay, so let's get started. We start with a very quick warm-up and then we get into the Crane Qigong.
Okay, start in Zhang Zhuang. And then let's begin with shaking it out. Feel like you're shaking off all tension from your body. Keep the breath natural and smooth. You can twist back and forth, shake out the legs, the ankles, the wrists, relaxing the entire body and getting everything nice and warm. For the purpose of this video, I kept it quite short, but go ahead and stop the video at any time and do these exercises in your own pace. So once you feel relaxed and the body is warm, you can start shaking it faster. And now feel like you're holding a ball of qi between your hands in front of the lower dantian. Feel the ball expand on the inhale. And feel like you're compressing the ball on the exhale. Feel your whole body expand with the breath in, like a balloon, filling from your lower belly all the way up into the chest. And exhale slowly from the chest down into the lower belly. Now keep holding the ball of qi while you step into a wider stance, initiating a rolling movement from the hips and roll the ball between your hands, tilting from the hips downwards but keeping the back straight, palms always facing each other. Try to relax as much as you can during this movement and go to one side, keep rolling the ball. And to the other side, still rolling the ball. Come back to center and slowly roll your way up. Step in gently to shoulder width. Turtle turns. Twist to one side, keeping your spine straight. Start the twist from the belly and move all the way up into the chest and the neck, like an upwards moving spiral. Keeping the arms and shoulders relaxed, twisting them into the opposite direction so the palms face away from each other. Breathe in, facing front, and breathe out, twisting back. Now let's do some wrists and ankle rotations. Clasp the hands and keep the wrists in front of the chest while making full rotations with your wrists and ankles. You can do this with wrists and ankles separately. Make sure to get your wrists and ankles nice and warm, making full rotations and even numbers on each side. Heart opens to the sky. Opening the chest wide, facing the sky. And then hug in, making a round back, tuck the tailbone and go onto the ball of your feet. Breathe in fully when opening the chest to the sky and breathe out fully when hugging in. Notice the backwards rotation in my arms when opening up. My thumbs are facing backwards. Now close, letting the back of your hands drop onto your thighs. Feel like you're gathering qi from all around you and pushing it gently down the spine into your lower dantian. Four-gate breathing. Breathe into your lower dantian, feel the qi, and breathe out through the palms and the feet. Feel free to stop the video here and take your time with this, really feeling into your body. Okay, next let's warm up the legs a little bit. Sink onto one leg, keeping a positive shin angle, staying on the ball of the back foot, sinking the knee down, hip distance apart from your heel. Make sure to do at least 10 times per leg.
So in the crane Qigong, we use the crane hands. They go like this on both sides. We stretch out the middle finger like this, and we spread the fingers like this. Should be not too much tension, but you can really feel a stretch here in the fingers, especially in this area. Okay, so let's start with the upper body. Then we go to the lower body, and then we add both things together. So the upper body goes like this. We start, the hands are crossed in front of the chest, elbows relaxed, shoulders relaxed, hands are relaxed. And then we turn the hands like this. We do the crane hands and we open, and we try to touch our chest with the thumb. And we open the chest. Really open the chest, relax the shoulders, and then spread the arms. And we look into one direction. One arm is lower than the other. Notice they are still in one line, and we twist. We come back, we cross the hands, relax the shoulders, relax the elbows, turn the hands, crane fingers, open the chest, and then to the other side. One hand lower, one hand more up, and we twist. Coming back, hands crossed, shoulders relaxed, elbows relaxed. So you can practice this as long as you feel that you got it, and then when you have it, you can go to the next part of the video. Okay, so let's get to the lower body. So we have both feet together. One foot opens 45 degrees, and I put my weight on this foot. Now I lift the knee, I step straight front, and I sink a little bit on this leg. So when my heel touches the ground, I open the foot into that direction, and then I shift my weight. So my weight is on both feet, and I stand on the ball of my back foot. And my knee turns in, and then I sink. Then you come back up, step with the heel, open the foot, and then turn in again with the knee in. And then you can sink as far as you like. You can stay up here, no problem. You can also sink and then twist. Okay, so now let's put it together. Again, we start both feet together. We open. Do this 3 times on your own if you like. And we cross the hands. We open the foot 45 degrees, and we lift the knee. We step, open the foot, and turn and sink. Now we open the chest. The thumbs touch the chest. We open up, spread the wings, and we twist. We look at the hand, which is more lower than the other one, and we have the crane fingers. We come back up, we twist back, lifting the knee, step, turn the foot open, turn the knee in, sink, open the chest, have the crane fingers, open and spread the wings, twist. And now come back up. So this can take some practice, it's normal, don't worry. Just practice as long as you feel like you got it. Start high up, then move your way to a lower stance. And when you feel like you got it, you can move to the next part and add the breath.
Okay, open up. You can do this 3 times on your own. Breathing in, crossing the arms, lifting the legs, and breathe out, step and sink. Breathe in, opening the chest, and breathe out, spreading the wings and twist. Breathe in, coming up on one leg. Breathe out, step and sink. Breathe in, open the chest. Breathe out, spreading the arms and twist. Breathing in, coming up. Breathing out, step and sink. Breathe in and breathe out. Don't force the twist, only twist as far as your body allows it without any pain, making this challenging movement as relaxed as possible. Feel very light in your body, feel like you're a crane with wings made out of feathers. Spreading your wings, feeling content and peaceful. Okay, let's close 3 times. Feel like you're gathering chi from all around you, pushing it gently down your spine into the lower dantian. Breathe in, gathering the chi, and breathe out, pushing it gently down your spine. Feel it sinking into the lower dantian. Bring the hands in front of the lower dantian in yin-yang palm. Okay, 5-element meditation. We breathe in a warm red colored energy into the heart, feeling peaceful and content, bringing a smile inside at your heart. Breathe in, feel this warm energy in your heart, feeling content and peaceful. Breathe out, letting go of any tension, any feeling of discontent and agitation. Breathe in, feeling the warm energy, and breathe out, spreading it to the whole body, feeling the serene smile inside and feeling content and peaceful. Now breathe in, see a red colored pearl expand in your lower dantian and condense the chi into the small red pearl.
Okay, so that was the crane Qigong. I hope you enjoyed your practice. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment on how you like the practice. What does it do to you? Okay, so I hope you have a great time. Enjoy your practice. Much chi. Bye bye.